In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily customize a t-shirt design using Canva's amazing suite of tools. Whether you're designing for fun, for your own brand, or as a creative exercise, Canva provides an intuitive interface and plenty of features to help bring your ideas to life. Let's dive in and explore how you can transform your t-shirt design using some simple steps. First, make sure you've logged into your Canva account and are all set with your workspace. It's essential to have your t-shirt template or an image ready to go. Canva offers a variety of templates that you can personalize to suit your needs. If you haven't already, you might want to browse their collection to pick a template that closely matches the vision you have for your design. Once you're happy with your selection, it's time to get creative. Select the t-shirt image on your Canva canvas. You'll notice several options that pop up once your image is selected. Look for the Edit button. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on Edit, you'll unlock a world of vibrant editing options that allow you to customize your design in unique ways. One of our favorite tools in Canva is Duotone. In the editing panel, you will find an option labeled Duotone. This is where you can express your style through color experimentation. Duotone allows you to apply different color filters to your t-shirt image, offering a variety of hues and tones. It's an excellent way to give your design a standout appeal or align it with your preferred color scheme. As you browse the available color variations, think about the emotional message or overall aesthetic you want to convey through your design. Is it bold and vibrant or perhaps subtle and minimalistic? Feel free to toggle through the options until you find a color combination that resonates with your goals. Bear in mind that contrast and color harmony can make a big difference in how your design is perceived. If your t-shirt design includes text or additional graphics, ensure that they remain legible and visually appealing against the colored background. A quick tip: sometimes adjusting the transparency slider in the Duotone settings can create interesting visual effects, which can make your design even more unique and personal. And that's it. You've just learned how to effectively use Canva's Duotone feature to enhance your t-shirt design. Remember, designing is about experimenting and expressing your creativity, so don't hesitate to play around with different elements until you achieve that perfect look. With these steps, you're empowered to bring your imaginative concepts to life in an engaging and professional manner. Now you're ready to share your uniquely designed t-shirt with the world. Happy designing!